I'm in the middle of the forest garden and a little dragonfly has just turned up. It's sitting on one of the tops of the poles, so I thought I'd record it live and share it. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Dragonfly. I'm going to pick some fruit and some herbs. I think Sophie's coming along, I can hear her meowing. And the cock's crowing. But the dragonfly isn't bothered by anything, it's just sitting there. Sort of a yellowy colour. It seems quite happy. It's got gossamer wings. So gentle. You can see its little head moving. Oh, now it's gone. Hope a dragonfly turns up for you today. Enjoy.